I'm really excited for today's unboxing. I can't wait to show you all. This is from Coach's Spring 2024 collection, and it's a limited collection. They're not releasing it obviously till next year. So yeah, if you happen to get your hands on it, you got your hands on it before it sold out, but within 4 days they were all gone. So yeah. Let's get into this unboxing because I'm super excited to see how it looks and show you guys which bag I got. It's small. There's a hint. Please tell me they did they gift? They didn't gift wrap it. Every time I ask for gift wrapping, they don't gift wrap it. They gave me the gift card. Where's my damn box? I'm mad. I pay so much money and then they don't give me my gift boxes. Like, bruh, what do I have to do? Go to the store and complain to get my gift box? Well, let's see here. They double knotted it. Oh, this unboxing's off to a good start. They didn't gift wrap it. Not happy about that. Not impressed. Well, now you can see which bag I got. It is the Tabby quilted bag. Now, I wonder, it is very small. They were sold out of the larger size. This is the 20 size, so I wonder the comparison of this one and then the smaller pillow tabby. So I'm just gonna grab it and then see. This one's a little bit wider and a little bit taller. So yeah, it is a bit different. I don't know how roomy it's gonna be. It honestly does not look that roomy for a bag. I wish I could have got the larger one, but they didn't make the purple in larger, so I hope by the time spring 2024 runs around, they make it in purple and big, because like it's one of the best colors they've released for their bags so far. Now, let's open this up and inspect it. Ooh, there's a flap. Oh, like the Madison. Ooh, okay, okay, cute. Wow! Look at that little double flap there, you little cutie. Oh, this little thing's so cute. Okay, the cute bag's making up for it, but their customer service is really going down the toilet right now. How am I supposed to get this off? Okay. Before I fully unwrap, let's see. Okay. So. Okay, it definitely looks more roomy than the pillow tabby. It's not that roomy, but it's roomier for sure. Definitely roomier. And this is a pillow tabby inside. I don't know. Does it look... I'll have to do a thorough like comparison, but I feel like for what fits, I don't know. The fact that there's a little double pocket here, that's cute. I like that. It reminds me of the Chanel bags a lot. The Chanel double flap or like the Gucci Marmot. They're very similar. Look. Look at this. They sent me my friggin' card. This is my thank you. This is my thank you. Treat yourself.
Another one.
But they didn't send me my gift box that I wanted to have for storing my bag. Oh my god. Feels pretty light. Oh, it's got a little snap. I like that. I'm not so much of a fan of the magnets because they easily pop open. But let's just do like let's just look at the bag. So it looks at the side. Very much reminiscent of Chanel. And then the back. Got the little hang tag on this side. I like the quilting style that they did on the Madison that they did on this. This is basically a hybrid between the Tabby and the Madison. Now, the question is, do I keep it? No, I'm kidding. Of course I'm keeping it. A purple bag, quilted, with a snap closure. Yeah, it's funny because I was obsessed with the pillow tabbies when I first saw them. And I thought the little ones were so cute, the 18s. This one's 20. Slightly bigger, but like, I don't know what much of a difference it is. But yeah, I find that it just does not fit anything. Sometimes the magnet is hard to line up, so it's kind of a pain in the butt. I like this because if you overstuff it, this isn't gonna like pop open. And I find even some of my outlet bags, they pop open. Okay, let's finish unwrapping. I want to read the story patch, if I can even read this. Oh, it's got a different code on the bag, so maybe that indicates like the fact that it's part of the runway. Like, it said direct off the runway, so I'm not sure like if this is one of the pieces that actually was on the runway, or like they just made like so much to purchase right away. I feel like they made so much to purchase right away, because yeah, would make sense. Oh, the tag was ripped off. They ripped the tag off so I can't even return it. That is the code for it. One thing I really like about this bag is the fact that it has silver hardware. I don't know, I feel like silver... I'm starting to like silver more for some reason. Oh my god, it's easier to close than the Madison. The chain feels very much different. Yeah. Feels very stiff. So this is how it looks. Is a different purple from my shorts. I have like blue purple shorts, kind of. So you can wear it like this. Or like this. Or like this. That's how it sits. That's how it sits for crossbody for me. It like sits right against my hip bone. I'm quite tall though, so as you can see. You can also take it up by this one. And you can wear it like this. Like this. Alright, let me just show you guys the details of the bag. I'll do a what fits in my bag in a separate video. And so it's made of Napa leather. It's got soft leather. There's a dent in the bag too. If they put it in a box, it wouldn't be dented. Oh my god. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm kind of mad about it. Like, what the hell? I take such good care of my bags and it shows up like this. Is the stitching crooked or what? It looks like the stitching's messed up. There's the bottom. Also has the stitching on it, interestingly. The only thing is, like, if I return this, they're gonna change the design. Like, that's the thing about these runway designs, is they're gonna revise them potentially and then change them by spring 2024. So they may not design this exactly as they've designed it here. Chain. It's got the leather woven through it. It just feels really stiff. It's weird. It doesn't glide so well as the other ones do. And the grommets on this is different than from the Madison. I think I will compare them, since this is like a Madison and Pillow Tabby had a baby. If I compare it to the Tabby and the Pillow Madison, then you can see the differences. But yeah, the grommets here are plain and different, and they remind me of Chanel very much. So it opens with a snap. You can see it inside. It's like on the Beat bag or the Bandit. Or I guess the Bandit. And then it says on the flap, the Tabby bag, genuine Napa leather. And there's a little buckle that it snaps into. And then there's this flap here. So you have a pocket. You can't fit a lot in that. The bag's so small as is, right? And then you got these two sections, and then there is no inside pocket other than that. The back, there is a narrow pocket as well. And it is not magnetic. The inside has has fabric. I'll have to do a separate video, honestly, to kind of try and zoom into parts of the bag, because it's like it's very cramped. It's hard to get in there to even show you guys the story patch. Oh. So yeah, what are your guys' thoughts on this Pillow Tabby Madison hybrid and the runway show overall? Like, was there any pieces that you liked from it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I don't know how I feel about it. I guess I'll see what fits in it, and then I'll see how I feel about it, honestly, and try styling some mod shots with it and all that. And do a separate video with a more thorough review. I just wanted to show you guys the bag, because I just literally got it on Friday, and yeah, everyone who ordered theirs just got it, so hot off the presses, hot off the runway. Had to show you guys. Also, let me know if you guys picked up any pieces from the collection. I'm curious if anyone else did, in the condition of their bag and how their order arrived. Because, like, look at the evenness of this. I kind of want to compare it to the photos on the website. and see if it's like different at all. But yeah, there's some imperfections I'm seeing. So we'll see if they revise that and all that. Yeah, another purple bag for my purple bag collection. I'll see you guys in the next video when I show what fits. Bye!